Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel eMoneySL. Subscribe to my channel guys if you haven't subscribed it yet, and this channel will show you how to earn money through online, and this is the best channel that you will get all the new websites once it is launched. For sure I will get you the best sites, and I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of websites which you guys still doesn't know, where you can just click an ad or where you can just watch a video and all the cryptocurrencies. So guys, just subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button, and you will see my new videos and the upcoming videos. So guys, I'm just going to show you today a simple website where you can get online money just clicking an ad. You don't have to watch that ad for a long time, just click it and just close the window, then it will be credited into your wallet. So guys, I'm just going to show you, and I'm just going to show you the website, and without taking much time, I'm just going to show you that site. The website will for sure give you daily ads which you just want to click it. So guys, if you haven't registered on this site, so I'm just going to show you how to register on this site, and it will be very easy for you to sign up within just 5 minutes. So just go to this website, and for your easiness guys, I have put the link for this website in my description, so you can go and see that link on that description. So what you have to do is just click here the sign up button, and you will get a one registration form. Guys, here you have to be more careful while you are selecting the account type. So what you have to do is just select the publisher account and don't go and select the advertiser account. So what I'm going to tell you is like how to earn money. So to earn money guys, you have to just click this publisher account. So what you have to do is just click it publisher sign up. So guys, since I'm already having an account, so I don't think that I can fill all these details and I can sign up, because one person can have one account only. So I'm just showing you the way what are the details that you have to enter here. So guys, here like you can see the first name, so you have to enter your first name, and here the last name, you have to enter the last name into that column. So what you have to do is you have to select your date of birth, just enter the date of birth over here, and guys, you can see here the postal address. They're asking your address, so you give your correct address guys, please, because once you have done your work, if you haven't given the correct details guys, you won't be get paid. So you have to enter here the address and the city where you live, and the country, it will come automatically. Since I'm in United Arab Emirates, it won't be showing my it will be showing my current location. So guys, here you can see the postal code, I'm sorry, the postal code. You can just Google it, and if you don't know the postal code, you can just Google it and check the postal code. And guys, you have to enter here the mobile number. You have to make sure that you are putting your correct mobile number, because you will get the verification code over here, into your mobile. Then you have to enter it in the verification site. So guys, once you enter these things, these details, then you will be see here the login information. Guys, you have to put your correct email address and the password, and again you have to enter your email address here. And guys, then you have to enter your password. Make sure the password is remembered every time. The password you have to put like which you will be remembered every time. And guys, once you re-enter your password, then it will come to here for the account security. This is also very important guys. You just have to select one security question. So once you select the security question guys, then you have to give the answer for that. This will be for account recovery, so make sure guys, like you will be giving the one which you can remember. Otherwise, once you have done lot of ad clicking on these sites, and if you forget your password or something guys, then it will go away if you cannot remember these answers. So make sure that you know these stuff very well. And here they will ask how did you find this website. So guys, you have to select a friend or a family and enter the referral code. So the referral code, if you like to say that you found it from me, then guys, you can enter my referral code over here, which I have mentioned down in my description. So guys, then there's a small captcha you have to enter. So enter this captcha guys, and then you can just confirm it and register it, guys. Then they will route you to the sign login details. So guys, once you fill up these things, please click register button and it will route you inside the site. So guys, since I have an account already, I will show you how to sign in. So I will just click sign in, guys. So I will enter my details over here. So here we go, guys. I'm inside that website, guys. So here you can see the membership I have got. While you get registered, guys, they will be automatically giving you membership. So the membership will be silver membership, guys. So once you have it like this website, they will give you daily give you ads. Now I already received 7 ads, guys. Like, I'm sorry for here, like I already clicked the ads and yeah, here I'm having a one ad, guys. Just see. So I'll show you how to click the ads. Once before going to click that, guys, I'll just show you how to first do your verification. So once you register this site, guys, you will receive one email in your registered email ID. Just you have to go to that email and click that activation button in that. So once you click that, only you will be able to enter into this website. So guys, click that and then you have to log into this site, guys. Then you have to come here and then you have to click this mobile verification, and here you have to click mobile phone verify. So what happened, guys, once you click that email address which you already registered, guys, then it will show here a tick mark which shows you that you have successfully verified your email address. Then guys, then you have to verify your mobile. So once you come into this website and once you click this mobile verification, you will be seeing one column that you have to enter your mobile number. So once you click that send the verification code, it will come, they will send you one SMS into your mobile. Then that code you have to enter there and just click it, verify the account. So once you done it, guys, then it will show here you have successfully verified your mobile. So guys, once you done this verification, then you are good to go. So once this is done, guys, then you just want to go to then you can see the PPC ads, means that this is the ad column which you will get ads. So every day this will fill. Okay, like it's not like the other sites, like you have to click and you have to wait for another 1 or 2 days to get the remaining ads. No, guys, you will get ads daily. So I'll just show you what to do. Just click here, guys, then it will show the ads that you will receive for the day. Here, guys, I'm sorry, I'm having only one ad because I already clicked my ads for the day. So I'm clicking this ad, guys. Just close it. No need to go and view it for 2-3 minutes, guys. No, not required. You just want to click it. Here you can see now it become 14. Actually before it was 13. So guys, it's fine. Just you saw this. It's seriously a good site, guys. This site is for sure paying for what you are doing here. So I'll just show you the top members, means the guys who got the payouts. I will see the last payout date which they have given. Okay, guys, on 23rd they have received this guy have received a payment of $155. Just see, guys, they have received $155. So it's an amazing. See, guys, just spending like 5 to 10 minutes per day and you can earn $155. It's speechless, guys. It's a very good site. You can earn a lot of money. So I'm recommending you guys to do it. And this site, guys, they will for sure pay you. So guys, this is the startup for this Startleaks. So I hope you understand how to do the registration. So today itself, do the registration, log into the site, guys, start to click the ads. So guys, I will show you in my next video how you can do how you can earn more. There are ways, guys, like not only doing that, guys, there are ways of like getting money by referrals as well. Once a referral login, guys, once a referral get sign up, guys, they will pay you also. So guys, I will show you how that will happen, and I will show you how you can earn $5 to $6 per day. I will show you guys in my next video. Please subscribe my channel and hit that bell button, guys, and you will see my next videos. For sure I will come with another video the second stage for the star clicks, guys. So subscribe me and wait for my next video, guys. So hope to see you all soon, guys. Then take care.